Okay, so the countdown now is 3 weekends until the boat goes in. This morning I got up and I put a nice, just one coat of varnish on the boat. And then I brought a bunch of stuff home and I cleaned up a bunch of things like the stove and the grill, and I kind of pulled a bunch of crud that was off the boat home, and I'm gonna just go through it and clean it. So we're just gonna have to go through everything and figure out what we want to keep and what we don't. Last month Mark pulled off all of the cushion covers and I washed them, and I've been waiting for a 70-degree day because that's what the instructions say. It has to be 70 and sunny. So that's today, which is awesome because that never happens in April. I mean, it's supposed to be like, it's like 75 right now. It's amazing. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get all that done and spray all of the cushion covers with like a fabric guard so it'll UV protect it and stain guard it, and then I'm done for the weekend. I got 2 coats on each side, and I made sure that I got like the seams and the zippers really good. So I think I'm done for the day. Everything's pretty much dry. It says I gotta let it sit for about 12 hours, so I'll do that and then put all the covers back on the cushions, and then we're good to go. Oh, forgot to put this. We did this actually last week and I forgot to take it off, so awesome. I did that. Did this. That's it. We're getting there.